Nice World Videos. It's day 2 of Storm Alice, and yeah, yesterday's storm, as you see in the morning video, and then you see later on when it actually hit us, you can see in these videos I'm going to post of what actually happened in Spain and nearly all the southern east of Spain and the Balearic Islands. But it's not over. We've still got today and maybe tomorrow morning before we actually get rid of this storm. Storm Dana season, and yeah, lots on its way. But we're going to take a look around Torrevieja and have a little check, see what's going on. It's 11 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, a lot of people are staying safe because you have been advised to stay at home. We all got these alarm warnings yesterday, 2 lots, one warning us yesterday's forecast, and of course another one warning us about today. It's still red, it's still dangerous, and they've showed us the map just there, and this is the whole areas. You've got the red and the yellow and the orange, all the alerts, Amit, and they're telling you stay home, stay safe. Even though I've been out and about and I've seen some supermarkets open, and there goes a rumble just in the distance. So yeah, very, very calm at the moment in Torrevieja, a bit like yesterday, except the beaches were busy in the morning. But if you take a look at them clouds, yep, the storm is rolling back in, so within a few hours we'll be getting completely soaked, flash floods, and just like what you can see in these pictures here, this is what happened down in Murcia, Alicante region, and literally Torrevieja, all parts of Spain, and Benidorm, literally all on the southern east of Spain. You've got this, Balearic Islands, Ibiza, and yeah, as you can see, shocking pictures. And yeah, a lot of people actually got trapped in these floods, and the cars floating away, absolute nightmare. But if you're one of the lucky ones and you're high up in an apartment or your house is on a hill, you're pretty fine. But that's Spain. That's where you do your own work. You make sure you don't buy on a floodplain where literally it always gets flooded. A bit like here in Torrevieja, around the back streets, you do find the usual roads do get flooded. So yeah, we better get in cover. But the lots of places have closed today, and the boulevard is closed, and shops are literally closed, and some office buildings, and some schools and that in Murcia are like refuge centres now, which they've got beds and everything to pick. So it's looking very, very miserable out there, but it's not cold. It's about 23 degrees. It's dark, Englishly kind of weather on a proper winter's day. But if you are on your way to Spain, don't worry. So here we go, back in the car just in time. So we're going to get home as quick as possible before we start floating down the road, because there's going to be rivers out here any minute now. I'm telling you, it's getting darker. This is October in Spain. Literally, it's not even holiday season, and there ain't no spaces anywhere. And yeah, gridlocked all the way out as you come in and as you go out. So literally, we've made it home in time because it's proper chucking it down now. And this is so serious now. They're actually evacuating people into the Manga villages and campsites, putting them to safe refuge because it is a serious amount of litres rotting in the Murcia region. Of course, other areas as well. So yeah, it's really, really serious. Of course, when we get storms in Spain, they're not little tiddlers, you know. They're big proper donors. Yeah. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. But I've got to feel sorry for the people that are actually at the bottom. So yeah. And that is the side entrance. The pool is actually overflowing. I need to top it up for a while. So literally, it's the next day, it's the same time again in the afternoon. It started up okay in the morning, but yeah, it's Storm Alice playing up again. So really, much of the same on day 2. And tomorrow's going to be Saturday, and this is supposed to be the last day tomorrow. And as you can see, yesterday's storm, a lot of areas got it, and again, a lot more areas are going to be getting it. Very misty over there. That is the Salt Lakes again. Yeah, not looking good at all. The only people I can see happy today is going to be the ducks. But yeah, you're going to be seeing it coming down the road. And that is the advantage of being at the top. bottom, that's when it all floods. And that's what happens in Torrevieja and most areas. That's why you see rivers. And it literally goes all the way around. And the people at the bottom are the ones that are suffering. So there we go. You can see it's coming all the way down like a river. And you see the car there, look. And even at the top here, terrace, it's beginning to be like something. Luckily enough, we've got a little ledge just there to stop it going all the way in the house. Yeah, and this is coming down the road again. 5 minutes later. So when we get storm darners, we do get proper storms. But remember, there's always someone else usually worse than us. This is high up, as I said. And if we was to go around the corner, that would be the river. And it's only just like the rain. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. More like 8 o'clock at night. Spanish weather, Spanish storms. Benjamin and Claudia will be coming next. Not for another week or so, hopefully. So yeah, not looking too great. It's a proper wintry day in Spain. It's just like being in England again. What's going on? Don't panic, it's all going to be back to normal on Saturday. Sun will return, blue skies. Yeah, back on the beach, and we'll be recording it all to show you. So it's hasta luego from wet Spain, or Costa.